Hey guys, I'm back with this video, well, with another video. We got the Pokemon cards. Hopefully the camera's doing okay. Let me adjust it. There we go. It should. So yeah, this is the League Battle attack. Deck, not attack. Let's get into it. Now, how do you open this? Hold on. Okay, so you open that. I guess. Then that. Then this. Yeah, people upstairs talking. Or would you look at that? Ooh, Force. Let's throw away this box. We got here a book. Sword and Shield. Interesting. We got. Let's see if I'm getting this on camera. It's just Pokemon, the wolves. Honestly, I don't care about the wolves that much. I really like the Pokemon. Ooh. Try to get that. Ooh, that's a good one. Let's see, you got normal, dragon. I think that's fairy. Steel. Dark. Or I forget what that other one means. Yeah, fighting. Psychic, electric, water, fire, and earth. Okay, let's get that. So that's cool. Drop that on the ground. Pikachu. And some others. Dragons. This isn't really nothing, so we can throw that out. Yeah, I'll do this from one hand. Hopefully this should be good. There we go. Alright, let's do our first card. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. This is my second team battle, tag team battle. I like that. Ooh, I like how their eyes shine. Blue and red. That's nice. I got some dice. I don't really care about this, but hey, I'll keep the dice for something else. I have Tag Team GX. That's something. Let me check it out. Ooh. I like that. GX. Got a Band-Aid. I don't know what that means. Then you got this. It's pretty cool, I guess. Not cool, but it's something. I like it. I like it. Not that much, but I really like this. I'm kind of happy for this. So technically, this is all $24. I mean, it's something. Ooh, more Charizard. My dad's upstairs talking with someone. That's something. I like that, yeah. That's something. I got another Charizard. A lot of Charizard. I just realized that. Oh, it's the same card. So I got a triple tag team. Alright. Next we have this box with whatever this is. Hey, anyone. Ew. You can take this. I don't want it. There you go. Alright. Let's get into this pack. Alright, it's pretty big. I haven't gone through any of them. So we got a file. Actually, hold on. Six minutes gone by. I don't really need energy, so that can be probably thrown away or given to someone. Alright, so next is Weldor. I don't care about Weldor. I don't care about support. Fire Crystal, I guess I'll take that. Fire, no. Energy. Splint. I think I just took a photo by accident. Don't need that. Ooh. Volcano? I mean, he's pretty cool. I'll keep him. Fire. Holy shit. Weldor. God damn. Reset stamp. Ooh, fire. Oh god, this is something else. Fire. No. Fire. There's so many files in here. What do you mean? Well, I got the same one. Same Pokemon. I'm doing this all face down. Giant Heal. Great Potion. Heals 50 damage. I mean, shit, I'll have that. Tag Call. No. Search through your deck. Another picture taken. Sort through your deck up to 4 tag team cards. I mean, with all this, yeah. Tag team call. Fire. No. Fire. Fire. Great Potion. This is gonna be a weird video. Weldor. I don't need that here. Hold on. Weldor. Fire. Fire. Fire Crystal. No. Fire. Wet Stamp. Here's a Pokemon. No. No, no, and no. Quick Ball. Switch. No, and no. 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 You know, for this being supposed to be, $24, I don't see it. I actually don't see anything in here for $24, but thank God I got it for $8.75. Because this is just pathetic. Oh, there goes that card. Here's something new. Tag team with Malo and Lalo. Malo. I don't care. I don't watch the anime anymore. Another tag team. Another tag team. Last card. Oh, would you look at that? I mean, it's the same one, but a little shinier. $10 of all this. Great. So yeah, in all that, I've gotten this much of support. That can go back in this useless pack. I mean, I knew what I was getting, but still, that's like, holy shit. So I got, out of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 12 energy files. I don't really use them because I'm not playing the game correctly. I'm sorry. But that's who I am. I only collect Pokemon cards for Pokemon cards. Out of everything, I got 3 normal Pokemon cards of Volcano. And then a little bit of a shiny. I got 2 of the tag team ones. And then I got this tag team. So in total, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 or 5 cards of tag team. I got the dice here too. In total, this has been 12 minutes. I got a new haircut. $24 for all of this? No. I mean, I don't know what this is connects to or how much they are separate, like these. But yeah, I'm still going at 13. I mean, I don't think I need 2 of the 2 tag teams like these. I think one card is $3 or $5. Because someone told me that this was $5 on eBay or, yeah, probably eBay. Someone said $5, and then these were like 3 something. And so 5, 8, 12. I don't know, 1, so 13. And then these 3 probably, I don't know, probably also $1. So 13, 14, 15, 16. And then I guess the box art and all of that. Plus these. I guess I could understand them going that high. But 24? No. Maybe around my best 18? I don't know about this one. Probably not. But I am happy that I got a good discount for this. So 24 minus, well, basically 25 minus, well, it was 8, so let's put up 9, 1, 10, that's 11, 5, 16. So yeah, I saved $16-ish. Yeah, I think I'll stick to Dollar General. $1 of 3 Pokemon cards of 1 pack. I think I'll stick to that. But this, no, not for me. And I don't want to pay $25, even if I get a good discount to under $10. Ain't for me. Am I still recording? Yeah, 16. So yeah, not for me, never again. Maybe for other people, I'm okay with that. But right now, for me, no. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Hopefully you guys somewhat enjoyed this. I'm gonna go through, look at some of these. Probably go on eBay, check what all this accounts to and how much they are. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which is probably gonna be